What's up, guys? So now me and Awesome Sauce are going, cause in yesterday's vlog he got a new gun. You guys probably already saw that vlog, but he got a new gun and now we're going to shoot it at a shooting range with one of his friends and maybe even Avo, cause isn't Avo right next to Irvin's house? Yeah, maybe even Avo. So now we're going to the shooting range. The gun is in the trunk. But now we're shooting my brother's gun. He didn't have any bullets. The bullets that he bought are not the correct bullets, so
you'll go to the right. I didn't eat chips by the way. Dev, did I eat chips? Did I eat chips? There's nothing.
No, did I eat chips? You see? He's shaking his head side to side. That means no. I didn't eat chips. And next time we come here, buy a little revolver like this big, literally this big for me, or like one that I can shoot. Cause I can't shoot these. The only gun I can shoot is a 22. So we're gonna buy a tiny revolver 22, and we're gonna come and I'm gonna shoot. This time I didn't get to shoot because we still haven't bought the revolver. So next time we'll have a revolver. Awesomer, because I'll get to shoot too. So we just finished shooting and we left, and then since my brother's friend's house was right next to Avo's house, we went and we picked up Avo and now we're going home. And guess what, guys, we got these. These will be very useful for 4th of July, especially for the M1000 bombs. These will be very useful. And yeah, we got these. We bought these, 2 of these, and now we're going home. And next time we go, we'll go with 2 guns and not 1. We'll go with my brother's AR, and we'll also go with my little pistol that we're gonna buy. And my cousin's right next to us. My cousin's right next to us. We were driving on the freeway and we saw her. Look, this is her right here. Now we're going to Cilantro. Gav, did you connect yours? I think Gav canceled the music.
Hello.
Yeah,
It's
bro.
alright. We're going to Cilantro. Guys, look, there's a Aventador right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a black Aventador all the way over there by the exit. And we came here and now we're
we ordered and now we're waiting for the food. Oh, right there. Did you guys see it? And did you guys hear it? The sound was amazing. Amazing. Guys, look. Where is it? Where is it? It's supposed to be right. Oh yeah, here it is. Oh, I want it so bad. But it's not my chips day and it's not healthy. But maybe one of these days I'll get it. Once in a while I eat it. Like once in a while I eat it. And usually most of the time I say no, I can't have it. But I could easily be like, oh, I'm gonna get it today. But I don't. I try to be like, oh no, it's my chips day. I try to like make excuses like for me not to have it because it's really bad.
First burrito will be me and Mikey's. Can we get extra avocado and roast? Yeah.
I vlog.
My name is different, but I always put my nickname to others as Mike, so whenever they both know us as Mike. His name really is. Yeah, we're gonna be sharing that one. If you could cut it in half first, please. I'm trying to be on a diet slide.
So-called diet?
Yeah. And some roasted serrano.
Do you want light on this one or?
Yeah.
I like spicy. I love spicy.
And can we get tomatoes?
So guys, now we're going to Best Buy to return the Xbox, and then after that, we're probably gonna drop off Avo home. So guys, I just came to Best Buy, and now we're going to get a GoPro case if I can find one. I wish I had this camera. I'm collecting to get the Canon G7X. Look at it. I wish I had this camera. This is the camera I want. I wish I had it. But don't worry. Soon I'll be vlogging with the camera like this. Soon. Just wait. Soon. Soon I'll vlog with one of those cameras. Avo. Move out of my way! We fight, me and Avo fight a lot. Avo, come! Which one's the body? This is the Hero 5, kid. Boy. Why does it have Casey's name on it? Casey. Hero 4. I have the Hero 4. But I want that Canon G7X so badly for my vlogs. So badly. So guys, yesterday we came back from Best Buy and it was already dark. And Avo left, and then Awesome Sauce over here had problems with his truck. His truck wouldn't go into neutral. So yeah, he had problems with his truck, and we tried fixing it till like 1 in the morning. And after 1 in the morning, it just worked out of nowhere, even though we didn't do anything. It just decided to work. It decided to work. And then yeah, and I forgot to end the vlog yesterday because we were doing all those truck stuff with his friends and stuff. And Avo left too. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.